Steve for eminiwizard.com and marketwizards.com with a quick update just into the last hour on the 17th of January, reminding traders to use risk capital you can afford to lose. All right, we had selected this as this being the 26, 25 area retest. We said make sure you are paid by here if you are coming short side, because by the end of the day, shorts are going to want to take profits. And we said if you're buying here, look to try to get to that 33 to 35, and then above that, obviously the good fortune part. So here's our support box, our snowman's middle, and then up here is the next box of potential resistance trying to get to. And if we're looking at our 5-minute chart, it tells us make sure you are paid by this blue line. And if you are looking at the angels and demons, it is telling us make sure you are paid by 37s. And if you were looking at this chart, make sure you are paid. This was our 5-minute chart. Make sure you are paid coming down into this 25 to 24. Resistance, R2 today was 38.25. We got a 2-box move here. So theoretically can get our fighting box. Right now we thought this was support. This was fighting, and then this is our resistance box. Step by step. And we were out of bounds up here. Volatility, we can now readjust these perhaps a bit more since we're obviously starting to stretch outside them. I'll do that later. And we'd said, well, maybe it's 25 to 27 support, and maybe the market can get back up here at 35, 37 even based on this chart. So they all work together, and they're going to be, anytime you can line them up within a point or two, it's helpful. This is our RTH chart. And note how we came back to the middle, 25.5. And then we get the bounce. Right? Amazing. If you'll use these tools and keep your wits about you, it will help. So currently right now, this is our support. Break that, anything happens. And we'd said earlier today, right? 18. We said 18. Support. Hit 1775 and turned on a dime. Back at that 11. We said, okay, this 11.5, 12 area, 12.5, support. I said originally I thought that I'd hit bounces. Then I said, no, I think we're wrong. You can't cling to an idea that's not working. And clearly by this size of this bounce that we got with higher highs, higher lows, the shorts have been trapped. And that helps when we get the news event. Just squeeze those traders unmercifully. Take your punishment. If you're wrong, admit it. I'm wrong. No harm. Then you're free. Then you can take opportunities any direction you want without the burden of how do I get out from this noose around my neck. So the RTH chart, very helpful also on that pullback. Hope this helps you guys. And target 32 has been achieved. We're going to be paying attention to that, obviously, going forwards. Next potential targets, step by step.